Hello, my friends. Mr. Mike here. Today we're reading a Peppa Pig book called Pedro's Cough. Oh, Pedro doesn't look. He looks sick, doesn't he? Hi, Peppa. Let's begin. Peppa Pig, Pedro's Cough. Peppa and her friends are waiting for Madame Gazelle to start their music lesson. Miss Polly had a dolly, sings Madame Gazelle. A lot of these books take place at 9 o'clock, too. And she's looking at the clock. Cough, cough. What is that strange noise? Poor Pedro Pony has a nasty cough. Not to worry, says Madame Gazelle. I'll ring Dr. Brown Bear. Cough, cough. Dr. Brown Bear looks after everyone when they are poorly. Yeah, I think that just means when they're sick, not well. Dr. Brown Bear picks up his medical kit, jumps into his doctor's car, and drives straight to playgroup. Oh my. It's an emergency. He's even got his light on. I've got a cough, says Pedro. Dr. Bear arrives. It's nothing serious, says Dr. Brown Bear, but it may be catching, so we'll have to give you some medicine. Urgh, cries Pedro. It tastes like an old shoe full of jam. Susie Sheep and Danny Dog start to cough too. As I thought, says Dr. Brown Bear. Pedro's cough is catching. He gives them both some cough medicine. Cough, cough. Urgh! It tastes like carpet-flavored yogurt, says Susie. Yuck! Tastes like flowers. My question is, how does she know what carpet-flavored yogurt tastes like? Do you ever get ill, Dr. Brown Bear? Asked Peppa. I'm never ill because I eat an apple a day, says Dr. Brown Bear. Soon it is time to go home, and the parents arrive to pick up their children. I've got a cough, says Pedro. Dr. Brown Bear came to look after us, says Danny. I guess school outs at 4 o'clock where they are at. All the adults start coughing too. Cough, cough. Peppa picks up the phone. Dr. Brown Bear? Now all the grown-ups are ill, she says. Now it is the grown-ups' turn to take the cough medicine. Urgh, it tastes like custard and old socks, cries Madame Gazelle. All the grown-ups must take their medicine to help them feel better. No one likes to take the medicine. Yeah, I don't know why she would know what custard and old socks taste like, but, you know. Who looks after you when you're ill? Asked Peppa. No one looks after me, replies Dr. Brown Bear. I'm never. Cough, cough. Dr. Brown Bear has caught Pedro's cough too. Who will look after Dr. Brown Bear? Gasped Peppa. Poor Dr. Brown Bear is taken to hospital. He has some visitors. Danny has brought some fruit. Susie has brought the medicine. Open wide, says Susie. Well, that's nice, says Susie. Ugh, says Dr. Brown Bear. It tastes like jammy yogurt flavored carpet shoe with flowery custard old socks. Oh, I guess Dr. Brown Bear just mixed everybody else's flavors up. Yucky. Soon Dr. Bear's feeling better. Everyone loves being looked after, even Dr. Brown Bear. That was nice of everybody. And I hope you enjoyed. If you did, like, subscribe, and check out my other Peppa Pig material. Have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.